Well, the features in this camper van, which is our Grand Tourer, is we'll always have the 2-ring cooker, which you have your 2-ring cooker here. You have your sink with your tap. Also as well in this model, you have a lot of countertop, but underneath that then as well, you have a fridge freezer, which is here, which also works as a heater box as well. So if you want to keep food hot, it works as well. You also have yourself a 7-foot double bed as well.
You have your full-size fridge here, fridge freezer, then you have your full cooker, your oven and your grill, your 4-ring hob, 3 gas, 1 electric, then you have your sink, you have overhead lockers for storage, more here, you have your 2 single beds, you have more storage as well underneath your beds, that's your access anti-storage on both sides. And on the Heimers as well, you have floor lockers, which is underfloor storage. And then you have your bathroom here to the rear, your toilet here, and your separate shower over to the right-hand side.